You want to support Roland Martin Unfiltered? Be sure to join our Bring the Funk fan club. Every dollar that you give to us supports our daily digital show. There's only one daily digital show out here that keeps it black and keep it real as Roland Martin Unfiltered. By going to RolandMartinUnfiltered.com, you can make this possible. Both top civil rights groups will help Crystal Mason appeal her 5-year sentence for trying to vote. She's a black woman out of Fort Worth who was sentenced to 5 years in jail on the state level for unknowingly casting an illegal ballot. Now remember, she went to federal prison for violation of her parole as a result of this. The American Civil Liberties Union and the Texas Civil Rights Project said they'll be appealing Mason's verdict, saying her case is an issue of voting rights. Now, Crystal was supposed to join us today, but the prison board denied her request to appear on television. We're joined now by her attorney, Kim T. Cole. Kim, glad to have you back on Roland Martin Unfiltered.
Thank you for having me, Roland.
First of all, where's Crystal now? How is she doing?
Crystal is currently serving out the remainder of her federal sentence at a residential reentry center, which is commonly known as a halfway house. She is still in custody of the Bureau of Prisons, but she is no longer in prison.
And go ahead, I'm sorry.
She's doing okay. She is very anxious about this impending 5-year sentence. And she's also having some financial difficulty due to having been incarcerated for the last 7 months.
And last we had you on, we talked about that, the GoFundMe campaign. How is that going, trying to save her home as well? How's that going?
We've raised a significant amount. We haven't reached the goal. We haven't even reached what's owed on her account yet.
Okay.
So hopefully we can still get that pushed through. I'm pleased that the ACLU and the Texas Civil Liberties, the Texas Civil Rights Project have joined in the fight with her appeal. Hopefully we can get her 5-year conviction overturned, and we want her to have a home to come home to.
And again, you talk about them joining in and assisting you and standing up for her. Obviously, for you, having these legal assets is critically important.
Absolutely. The ACLU is a very, very powerful organization, and them lending their experience and expertise to this particular matter would have a significant impact.
When do you go to trial? I saw something. Is it June?
So we were scheduled in June for oral argument. However, we were successful in getting that extended out. So the oral argument is to be determined at this point.
All right, then. Well, look, we certainly appreciate you joining us. Good luck in this case. We will send out, again, the appeal on social media to try to raise those funds on GoFundMe to help Crystal out.
Thank you very much for keeping this story in the public eye. I really appreciate it, Martin.
All right, Kim, we appreciate it. Thanks a lot. It's all good. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot. All right, folks, back to our Roland Martin Unfiltered video in just one moment. All right, folks, inviting you to come out swinging and join me for a day of golf at the University for Parents Golf Tournament on Saturday, June 22nd in Southwest Atlanta's Wolf Creek Golf Course. It's a golf tournament with a purpose, a fundraiser for the University for Parents, a program designed to empower parent learners through education, inspiration, and support. This is all tied to Susan Taylor's mentoring program, National Cares Mentoring Program. Now, when you empower the parents, you also empower the children as well. The location of the tournament is 3000 Union Road, and the shotgun start time is 9 a.m. To register, go to www.u4parents.org. The letter U4parents.org. Hey, guys, tomorrow, do me a favor when you do this here, put the website at the bottom of the screen here. It's a little small on that flyer. For more information, call 770-316-3487, 770-316-3487. And I certainly hope to see you there. Now back to your Roland Martin Unfiltered.